Hi, yeah, in this video, I want to talk about how do you find data sets that inside R, okay? And there's an R package called the Datasets. This is the website for its documentation. You can see there's a list of all the dataset names. And for example, if we look into the air quality dataset, it tells you it's a daily air quality measurements in New York, May to September 1973. And it tells you this is a data frame with 153 observations on 6 variables. The 6 variables are here: ozone, solar, .r, wind, temp, month, and day. Okay. And then to really use this data set, you can load the library, the data sets using library command to load it into R. And then you can say, for example, load the graphics package, and you can use the pairs function to generate a scatter plot matrix. Okay. Okay, now we're in RStudio, so let's do the library datasets. And we can get the dataset air quality, assign it to data, and then require graphics pairs. And you get this scatter plot matrix. Okay. Second part, you can actually use these R commands to print out the names of all the data sets in a package. For example, if we want to see the names of all the data sets in the R package data sets, we can use this command, and then this will give you all the names of the data sets. And you can do this to any R packages. For example, the LME4, the R package for linear mixed models. If you want to see all the built-in data sets inside that package, you can do this. For this one, there's about 12 data sets in there. In the library data sets, there are about 100 plus. Okay, now you know how to find out data sets inside R. Hope this is helpful.